Hello students, today we discuss about diversity in living organisms, ninth class Neet Biology Part 1. So first, introduction. The term biodiversity is a concise form of biological diversity and was coined by Walter G. Rosen in the year of 1986. So diversity is the variety of living beings on the earth. So diversity is the future of living forms, and considering these diverse features, that is similarities and dissimilarities, living organisms are classified. So diversity in plants. First we discuss about the diversity in plants. So diversity is observed in the plants form by observing types of roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, seed, etc. in different plants. For example, fruit of mango differs from the fruit of citrus. So we'll observe this mango fruit and also citrus fruits. These two are different in shape, color, taste. And seeds also show a lot of diversity in plants. Plants having single cotyledons are named as monocotyledons, and they show parallel venation and possesses fibrous root system. This is the monocot seed. This monocot seeds having the parallel venation. This is the parallel venation, students. And root system is the fibrous root system. This is the fibrous root system. Many branches are there. This is the fibrous root system. These two systems are present in the monocotyledons. And plants having double cotyledons are named as dicotyledons, and they show reticulate venation and possesses taproot system. This is the reticulate venation. This is the taproot system. This is the main root, and branches are formed from the main root. This is the primary root, tertiary root, also secondary roots. These two systems are present in the dicotyledons. Okay, and diversity in animals. Different animals are there on the earth, and various diverse form of animals are evolved during the course of evolution. During the evolution, different diverse form of animals are evolved from the ancestors. Based on the special characteristics present in the animals, there are identified and also classified based on the special characteristics. And for example, differences is seen in the size, shape, color, movement, and other features of animals. Different animals having different sizes, different shapes, different color, okay, movement, also features. So for example, tiger, elephant. So compared to tiger, elephant, so tiger eat to meat and elephant eating to plants. And compared to size, both are different. Compared to shape, both are different. Compared to color, both are different. And what is need of classification? And huge number of species on the earth cannot be studied randomly, so that an orderly scientific approach is required to studying the organisms. For this purpose, classification is needed. So classification makes study of living forms simple, clear, efficient, and convenient. This classification is useful for studying that particular organisms. It is very simple, clear, efficient, and also very convenient. And classification represents interrelationships and reflect the trend of evolution. And classification and also evolution. Evolution is the way in which organisms are transformed from simple to complex over a period of time. What is the evolution? The organisms are transformed from simple complex over a period of time. And the classification is the science of grouping organisms on the basis of similarities and also dissimilarities. So next, evolution proceeds in direction of making the organisms more suitable to particular environments, so that they become more fit in the environment. And this complex is acquired over a time, so that our forms simple and also newer forms are more complex. And levels of organization. First, atoms are molecules. Molecules are converted into macromolecules, and these macromolecules are from organelle. These are number of organelles present in the cells. Number of cells forms tissues. Number of tissues form organs. Number of organs from organ system finally make the organism. Next, levels of classification. First is cellular level. So it is loose association or aggregation of cells that are functionally differentiated. Different cells present in our human body. In different cells performing different functions. For example, nerve cell. Nerve cell is useful to carrying the signals from brain to body parts to brain. And also blood cell. Blood cell is useful to carry the oxygen and sends to the cells, body cells. At the same way, tissue level, an aggregation of cells which work in coordination. In these cells performing similar functions are arranged into tissues. So different tissues are there in our human body. Different tissues performing different functions. Okay, and the organ level. In an organ level, tissues aggregate to form a particular organ, each of which is specialized for particular function. Different organs are there. Kidneys, okay, heart, lungs. These are all the different organs. Different organs performing particular function. Okay, next, for example, heart is useful to transportation of blood to the entire body parts. And also lungs are plays the major role in the respiration process. Okay, and brain is useful to carry the signals. And also, okay, the same way, different organs are performing the different functions. Next, organ system level. Different organ systems are present in our human body. For example, digestion, respiration, circulation. In the digestion process, digestive system is there. Respiration process, respiration system is there. Circulation process, circulatory system is there. In this digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, different organs will involve. Okay, next, types of circulation. First one is the open type of circulation. What is the open type of circulation? The circulation in which the blood is directly pumped out of heart, and the cells and tissues are directly bathed is called open circulation. There is no blood vessels. Directly the blood is bathed directly to the tissues. And example, lower chordates like insects, spiders, ants, and also molluscus. And the next one is the closed type circulation, in which blood is circulated through a series of vessels, that is the arteries, veins, and also capillaries. Okay, and is called closed type of circulation. Example, higher chordates like birds, mammals, amphibians, fish, reptiles, and also invertebrates. In this all animals, the closed type of circulation is there. And this closed type of circulation is carried out by this artery, veins, and also capillaries. Okay, and symmetry. The arrangement of body parts in a symmetrical pattern is called as the symmetry. What is symmetry? Arrangement of body parts in a symmetrical pattern. And the symmetry is divided into bilateral symmetry. What is bilateral symmetry? The property of being divisible into two equal parts through sagittal plane, resulting in two mirror image right and left halves, is called bilateral symmetry. Example, insects, fishes, birds, and also mammals. Okay, is the bilateral symmetry. Beetle and also butterfly. And radial symmetry, the property of being divisible into two equal halves about a central axis, as in a starfish or a tulip flower, is the called of radial symmetry. This is the starfish, this is the tulip flowers. And asymmetry, when an animal cannot be divided into two equal parts in any plane, it is called asymmetrical. Example, sponges. And coelom, it is very important. What is the coelom? The fluid filled body cavity present between the alimentary canal and the body wall is called the coelom. It is present between the alimentary canal and also body wall. The true coelom is mesodermal in origin. What is the mesoderm? It is the mesoderm is the middle layer of the three germ layers that develops during gastrulation in the very early development of the embryo of the most animals. So during the embryo development, Okay, this mesoderm layer is formed. This is the middle layer. The outer layer is the ectoderm, and the inner layer is the endoderm, and the middle layer is the mesoderm. Tissues are derived from this mesoderm. So, coelom first. Acoelomates. Animals which lack body cavity or coelom are called acoelomates. Examples: Cnidaria and also Platyhelminthes. These two are examples of the acoelomates. What are acoelomates? Which lacks body cavity. And pseudocoelomates, organisms which body cavity is not derived from mesoderm, as in true coelom or body cavity are called pseudocoelomates. Example: Nematihelminthes. This is the Nematihelminthes. Is example of pseudocoelomates. And coelomates, animals having true coelom or body cavity which is derived from mesoderm are called coelomates. Coelomates are derived from the mesoderm. Okay, example: annelids, arthropoda, molluscus, echinodermata, hemichordata, and also chordata. So these are all the species related to the arthropoda. Next one is the hemichordata, and next one it is the echinodermata. These are all the echinodermatas and chordata species: lion, salamander, next shark, snake, lamprey, tiger. These are all the chordata family. Next, germ layers. Next one is the germ layers. So during embryonic development, we already know about that the fertilization process will take place. Then male and female gamete fuse together from zygote. The zygote will develop to form embryo. So during this embryo development, the cells differentiate and form three germ layers. There are the endoderm, ectoderm, mesoderm. So diploblastic animals. What are the diploblastic animals? Animals having two distinct germ layers, that is outermost ectoderm and innermost ectoderm, are called the diploblastic animals. Example: jellyfish, comb jellies, coral, sea anemones. These are all the diploblastic animals. This is the jellyfish, and this is the comb jellies, and this is the corals, and this is the sea anemones. Final one is the notochord. Notochord is the mesodermally derived rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development. It's called notochord. This is the nerve cord. This is the notochord. Observe this. This is the notochord. This is the caudal fin. This is the fin rays, gonads, anus, gill slits, liver, endostyle. Thank you for watching this video. uh, for subscribe part 2. Thank you for watching this.